Meaning of exogamy.
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 Exogamy. Exogamy refers to the social practice of marrying outside one's own social group or community. The purpose of exogamy is to promote diversity and prevent inbreeding. The result of exogamy is a wider range of genetic diversity, which can improve the health and adaptability of a population. In addition, exogamy can foster greater social connections and understanding between different communities, promoting a more harmonious society. However, exogamy can also lead to tension and conflict between different social groups, particularly if there are significant cultural or religious differences.